This is a 2010 Lexus RX 350, a great fit and finish. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, 18-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a leather-wrapped shift knob, a rear spoiler, a toolkit, front fog lights, rear impact crumple zones, a HomeLink feature, and this vehicle has less than 37,000 miles. This Lexus has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.